I'm all finished. 30 days to cure for this coating, both the interior and the exterior. Don't do anything to it other than just drive it as normal. In 30 days, you're going to get a text telling you that it's coating's cured. Bring it back in, and I'll walk with you through how to do a no rinse. Now, the warranty for the exterior is 7 years. The warranty for the interior is 5 years. The exterior coating will last 7 to 10 years, and the interior coating is permanent. Now, there's nothing required for the warranty to keep that. However, I do recommend coming back in for a deep cleaning once a year. The more you drive it, the sooner you bring it back in. So that's my recommendation. I'm going to show you how to do a no rinse wash. So I recommend that you wash it yourself. If you don't want to, or it's cold, or it's too hot, or whatever, bring it in here, and for $75, I will wash it and help you maintain it in that regard. The interior doesn't need to be cleaned as often. The exterior definitely does need to be cleaned more often. But anyway, just drive it for the next 30 days as normal and then bring it back in here. Other than that, thank you, Sean. I appreciate everything. I'll be in touch. Thanks. Bye.